Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be testing out a recipe I got off of this website. I will leave it down in the link down below. William Shatners muffins. What I did first was I preheated my stove to 200 as the recipe suggested. I greased my pan. I'm gonna be adding all my dry ingredients into a large bowl, starting off with 500 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of coffee, half a cup of sugar. Mix that all together. So after that, I put that aside, and then I'm gonna mix all my wet ingredients together. A cup of milk, cup of melted butter or margarine. So guys, in this take, I think I didn't melt the butter enough, so just melt it a little bit because I did it for like a minute and 30 seconds in the microwave. So just melt the butter a little bit longer. Added one egg, and then I just tried mixing that. Now you can see the reason why I said melt the butter a little bit more is because since I didn't melt it enough, it didn't actually incorporate because the milk is cold as well. Maybe get the milk that's like room temperature. My milk was cold, so then it made everything coagulate. My first mistake was the fact that my margarine was not melted enough, and I just poured it in instead of, maybe what I could have done was taken the whole mixture and then put it in the microwave. Then it would have melted the butter even more. But in any case, according to the recipe, it said use a cup of milk, but I'd say about a cup and a half is gonna be more sufficient. So all you're gonna do is just mix it together, and then as you can see, the mixture is a little bit too dry for my liking. But then again, seeing the end result, maybe it was supposed to be just a little wet, but not like, not with too much moisture. But anyway, we live and we learn. But all I did was just mix it a little bit more and kept adding milk until I got the consistency I wanted. I added in chocolate. You can use a ladle, or you can use this particular one that we got. That's just easier. I think it's like a soup spoon, and then just scoop out my mixture and put it in the tray. All I did was just fill my tray about 2/3 of the way as I was following the recipe, which after filling the tray, I put it in the oven. The recipe said 20 minutes on 200. That was too high, and my muffins came out kind of burnt on the side. And then so I tried it again at 180, but it also still, for about 15 minutes, it was still too hot. Check the way to find out if a muffin is done, any type of muffin or queen's cake. Just check the side. If you're seeing a golden brown, take it to the top and cook the top to a color that you desire, and then take them out, let them cool off. Follow me on my social media platforms. If you guys like that and want to see more videos like that, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below if you liked it or not. Guys, I would really love your feedback and subscribe. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye.